What is up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna go back in time to one of my first vlogs ever, shot way back in 2018 during our first time in Vietnam. We joined a few of our friends on a party cruise at Halong Bay, and here's the lowdown. So we were picked up in central Hanoi and shuttled to Halong Bay with a quick stop for refreshments along the way. We paid $200 for the party cruise and we paid it online to their website via credit card, which was super simple. The rooms and the bathrooms in particular were really beautiful, and we were quite pleasantly surprised by the welcome we received on board as well. Make no mistake, Oasis Bay is definitely a party cruise. From the time they pick you up, they are setting you up to have a great time. From the music they play to the welcome they give you when you come on board their cruise for the first time. Our room is super freaking beautiful. I already had a look at it. So I don't know how to show you this well, but I hope you can kind of get an idea. Check out the bathroom. Oh my gosh. Wow. I was not expecting this, so I am very pleasantly surprised. Check this out. And while you shower, you have a view of Halong Bay. First thing on the itinerary is to meet downstairs for lunch after checking into your rooms. This is where you kind of break the ice and make a few friends with the rest of the group, and needless to say, the booze cruise part of the cruise started right here. And Oasis Bay is ready to give you guys a party. I mean, they've got the jacuzzi, the floaties, got free-flowing alcohol, great music, the works. They've got the works. Okay guys, so everyone's changed into their swimsuits. We're all gonna go for a dip and then some kayaking. They're all leaping off the second floor of the boat, and I want to do it, but I don't think I can. I'm a bit scared. We'll see. If I don't chicken out, I will get someone to film me. Session also included some really amazing kayaking activities, but after showering we met up back on the deck before dinner for a session of what seems to be beer yoga. Essentially this is just getting everybody pepped up, and let me tell you guys, it worked. By the way you guys, make a note of the fact that where the cruise docks at night there is zero reception, so any important messages you want to send before this time. He's actually a captain, but yeah, almost. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, please. Back in the dining room for a quick spot of dinner before the main party of the night ensued. While we were having dinner, the crew played back a little slideshow of the day's events, including pictures of all of us jumping into the water, etc. And I thought that was so cute. Such a personal touch for every cruise. This is me and the girl who had a matching swimsuit. but it's safe to say we had a really awesome time and we met some really cool people as well. The next morning we had a late start. We met up for breakfast with our new friends and caught up about what happened over the night. Unlike on the first day, it was really sunny, so we made sure to stay out on the deck and take in all the beauty that Halong Bay had to offer to us. I think this is what's taking us to Freedom Beach. Shall we get on? Freedom Island is literally a strip of sand between two enormous limestone rocks jutting out of the Halong Bay waters. It's got a beach on the side and it is so beautiful. It was a little cloudy as we arrived, but it did get better towards the end of the day. This was the perfect day too to follow up for our first night of partying on this beautiful and relaxing island with no reception and no electricity, so make sure you bring your power banks to charge your phone.
This is Maxwell.
What is up, guys? I am so sorry that I have been completely missing on Instagram stories. There's no reception whatsoever here on the island that we're on right now, Freedom Island. We only have electricity till 5:30, so I don't even know if I can keep recording on my phone or my phone will even be alive after a certain point. But I'll just show you the view. So yeah, it's really beautiful and peaceful here. We have just been kayaking and swimming. It's been really amazing. Booze cruise is not much of a booze cruise here. Booze cruise is not much of a booze cruise here. We are all, I think, tired. Everyone's just relaxing in the sun. So it's a really nice getaway after the hectic night we had yesterday. Just paddled here on our kayaks and discovered this tiny plot of island? Beach with like the squishiest sand ever. Hey guys, we just took another kayak out and we're exploring around Freedom Island. It is really amazing. We found this awesome beach right back here. It's barely a beach, but it's so nice to get your kayak out and come and explore. It's peaceful and quiet and we are just severely relaxed. Loving it. Perfect way to end a booze cruise. What I enjoyed the most is that there was nobody really telling you what to do. You were free to explore as you like. We chose to explore on a kayak. Some people chose to stay back and play some beach ball. In the night we met up for dinner again, we played some card games and had a few drinks. and the next morning we packed up and went back to the cruise ship. We had one more activity back on our cruise, which was learning how to make Vietnamese rolls. Even though this was meant to be a booze cruise, I thought there was a perfect balance between time to drink and have fun with your friends, but also to relax and even to learn a new skill. Overall, do I recommend this cruise to you? Yes, I would. We had a really awesome time with our friends, and we even made some new friends, and to me personally, that's what traveling is all about, making new friends and having new experiences. And this cruise ticked all those boxes. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like and a comment, maybe even hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!